Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. You know, I don't do a lot of fish because I'm not a big fan of fish. Um, when I do fish, it's got to be a white fish, like a cod or something, fish and chips. But I've been asked to do salmon, and I found a recipe where the salmon is poached, and it's fantastic. It doesn't have that strong fishy flavor that you get when you just have salmon. So if you're a non-fish eater, but you want to eat more fish because the doctor says you need to eat more fish, you got to try this recipe. Somehow, with the way it's poached and prepared, it's not that fishy, and it came out extremely good. So we're doing it next on Buzz Cooks. Poached salmon. All right, let's get started on this awesome salmon dish. Like I mentioned before, I'm not a huge fish fan, but this dish was really tasty. So I got some scallions, green onions that I cut up, put in the pan. Then a whole bunch of baby spinach goes in. I've got 2 salmon fillets, skinless. I'm going to put on top of the spinach. I'm going to season with some white pepper and a little bit of salt. There we go. Then I'm going to add some white wine or cooking sherry, whatever you have handy. Then we're going to add a little bit of chicken stock. And then some heavy whipping cream. Yep, you heard me right. Heavy whipping cream. Okay, now we're going to transfer this over to the stove. We're going to put the flame on high. And as soon as we start to get some action in that liquid, we're going to turn the flame down to low, and we're going to cover this with a lid and let it cook until that salmon is done. About 10 minutes. Just like that. Now we're going to remove the salmon, put that on a separate plate, let it rest. And then we're going to bring this back to a boil and reduce that liquid until we get to the consistency we want. Then it's time to plate. Put the salmon on a plate, put our delicious sauce on top, and you have an amazing salmon dish that everybody's going to love. Try it. You'll love it. We'll see you on the next one.